let's suppose you are not getting that point in a let's suppose that that was the topic of motion in a plane and nobody is able to make you understand that topic, and that topic is coming, that the content of that topic is coming in advanced level, and if you wanted to clear that topic, if you wanted to clear your every topic, that was the best book ever. That was a Holiday in Resnick by Joel Walker. Just download it now. And due to, and my this series was and tribute to coronavirus, ki means we are fighting from coronavirus and the education system has stuck, and so that was an approach that will make the system of education better. And if you wanted to make my if you wanted to see more videos, if you wanted to make me inspire to make more videos, just comment comment me that what is your problem, that even the books are there. The books are the biggest thing that which you can use to empower yourself, even better than a teacher. A book can teach you, and if you started making a good relation with your book, then believe me, you will be the success, you will be. A very warm welcome guys to our YouTube channel IT Lovers. And this video is made for the physics lover. This video is only made for the physics lover who are really got in love with physics. And for that, this is this video is the book review of the best-selling book, not in India but all around the world. The book which has got an international level of importance. So that book was Holiday in Resnick by Joel Walker. That was the, I think so that was the reference book, and we can also say that that was the complete book which hold the complete theory of Chi advance. And even somebody wants to, if somebody is going to seal the advance, means he is trying to crack all of the questions of Chi advance, then the student, the aspirant should must follow this book, Holiday Resnick by Joel Walker. That was, and which in my description link, that book was given free. And guys, if you will see the price of this book, that was amazing. That original Russian edition of that book was, the Russian edition of that book was of 55,000 Indian rupees, and we had come to bring, and the we have come to bring the real original edition of Resnick and Holiday by Joel Walker, which was given in the description link. That was the very rarest of rare book कि मतलब कि उसका original version मिलना, that was the rarest of rare. And guys, if you will like this, please like, share and subscribe our channel. So let's discuss what is the role of Holiday in Resnick in studying, in aspiring for JEE mains and advance. So guys, let's suppose that you are reading an topic of motion in plane, and then what suppose that one topic is not clear to you and you are not able to clear it from NCERT, you are not able to clear it from your board book, and even you are not, even your teachers are not making clear it to yourself, then you can go